Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today receipt will be making grape juice for weight loss. It's really effective and you'll like it. Okay, it works like magic. Just 2 weeks you will be done. So sit back and enjoy. Okay, so what we are going to be doing, you add the grape and the ginger. This is ginger, yeah. You add the grape and ginger to the blender. Yeah, you add it to the blender, blend it together, and let's get started. Okay, yeah, this is, we have the grape and the ginger. Okay, so we blended them together, okay, to juice it out. For those of you that have juicer, you can use your juicer. Okay, yeah, you see, this is it. So what you will be needing, yeah, you will be needing this. Okay, so just put it here. If you have a bigger bowl, it will be fine. Okay, then just use your spoon to see. This juice is out already. Is out already. Yeah. Yeah. So you'll be needing a cup. Just put it inside your cup. And the only thing you'll be adding, this is lemon. Yeah. I just juiced it out. This is what I normally use to juice my lemon. So just add it to it. That was half lemon. I didn't even use the full one. So guys, you are free to go. You can just take it like this, or you let it cold or anything. Okay, so take this one glass a day or twice a day, then after 2 weeks you are free to go. Okay, thank you so much for watching. See you guys in my next video, and bye bye.